Hey guys, welcome to Happy Hunting. This is my metal detecting adventures YouTube channel, and yesterday I asked for some advice on how to video metal detecting. I got a lot of great advice. I got advice to use a head strap for this GoPro camera, and I am going to order one off of Amazon. I think that I really want to try that. The viewer of your video kind of sees what you're seeing. I also got a lot of good advice on the chest strap too, saying the chest strap probably gives you more stable video, which is true. I did try this out yesterday, and I'm going to include my sample test in a moment here after this introduction. Other good advice was, hey, yeah, it's a pain in the ass for sure to film while you detect, but keep doing it. It's worth it. Other advice was also, hey, why use one camera? Use multiple cameras, put some real production value into it, and have some fun. So I like all that advice, and I think I'm going to experiment with all those things and just keep filming here. Anyway, let's take a look at the footage I shot yesterday with this chest strap. And after reviewing it, a couple things I noticed with doing the chest strap. I didn't always keep the camera in frame. And sometimes when I was pinpointing and analyzing a target, I didn't have the camera, because it's in the middle of my chest, I didn't really have it put over the top of the display so the viewer could see what I'm doing. I think I can work on both of those things and get better with it. And like I said, I am going to get the head strap and try that out too. So without further ado, it's off to the park, and you can take a look at my first attempt as I turn the detector on and just dig the first 2 coins that I find. All right, thanks for watching. Enjoy. Okay, this is the test of my new chest cam, and I'm going to see how it records, and we're just going to dig the first thing we find. So here we go. I'm powering up. Be back in a few. Alright, I'm just a couple feet from the car, and I think we got our first target here. So I'm going to try this thing out, see how it films, put this up on YouTube. So I think I'm looking at based on the VDI, I'm going to say that's a dime. Let's get a size on it. I like to use the analyze mode to get a size. This is good. It's a really sharp spike, and the arrows underneath are really small, which means it's a small target. So it might be a quarter, but I think it's a dime. Let's pinpoint it. The green bar on the bottom is my 2.5 kilohertz, and that's good that it's the highest, because that's typically I see that of silver and clad coins. And it's about 2 3/4 inches down, so I'm going to try digging this right now. This is the first coin, testing out this camera. Okay. Not super deep. I'm going to go about like that. Hopefully it's a wide angle lens. Hopefully it's getting it all on there. Hopefully we got a quarter that we're about to expose. Let me get the pinpointer. Still in the hole. Look at all those little nasty ants on there, though. I'm just kind of experimenting to see how this comes up. I don't know what kind of ants those are. They don't look happy that I'm digging here. And it's a penny. So none of the above. It's just a plain Lincoln penny. That's the first find, and I'm just testing out this video camera to see how it's going to work. That's it. Alright, I got another target just a couple feet away from that last one. I figured out, let's try filming another one. Get practicing with this camera. Let's go ahead and pinpoint it. You know, I didn't check the size. Let me just see what it looks like, if it looks like a coin. That's a coin. Coin sized. So, again, pretty shallow, 3 inches. Hopefully this screen is coming up. And I think it's a zinc penny. The red will be really high on this detector, higher than the other. So 3 1/4 inches down, I'm going to go get it. 3 1/4. Hopefully you can see this. So not super deep. 3 1/4. It's up here a little ways. Wow, it's a lot shallower than I thought, but it is a zinc penny. Wow, look at it's all bent up on there too. I did not hit that with the shovel. I dug a little deeper than it was, but it's the penny's actually been hit with something. Cool. All right. Hopefully this camera's working really well.